married people whom be sex and your crime. Papa dear or so jeje ho. Ti ukunu na boy no pia bonti no ba no be share packaging. Send ye ya ebe na kono because we wan ben kwan ni sa wa bre. But sorry, o man a cowgirl, o man shibaro kakra, what's not so kakra, and the utimeka any dying coat me so so it depends. And I'm banning baby or moka say will make me at now 6 months, 3 months without having sex, no. Or a baby or quite almost fast to satisfy your yes. Baby some masturbate on their own inner. Money upon tempe na emi. No package ne kama something hot. Who shame fem pia bonti because you your wife for. And what say anytime and what say anytime be answer no. Be man nebeka say ebia ene sweetheart me kondo da bi. Oba they don't means nothing ka say 3 months, 6 months won't have sex. No, because the body needs sex. But BJ nyina ka ho. So what you say? Ye ko ho nyina ya no kwa
Yema ewiase ni adofo nyina kwa ba eba empaso komo dwumadie aha na mo nua bema super boy machi oba pa honfe Bonnie ana meboa ada unua na Bonnie ana
but I like it
all right na honfe na adware we say
that's
o secret ni say
actually any exercise need to be exercise.
And see, after ye, no, no, near Edian, pa, and exercise. Aye, which you know, say every fair. And you know, near the four, aha, a Kakum City Hotel, room 12, aha, Namunia Bema, Mabeti or Bapa Hofe, Bonnie, and next topic, you know. And then your topic, you know, ye beside your tear for say, sex in relationship. A hun here, and I said, a hun here. Ye bisa sa same way if you say ye nuanum ma ne bi wo ho a wo hia wo na akwase wo pa obeka che wo say ono de onye ready for sex me nua ba sex in relationship ehu hia ana say ehu hia most e dey nti na ehu hia
first of all so far as akopon bowe it stands for something.
There be obowe.
No obowe. Obo cucumber and obo apple. It stands for something.
O say nyankopon board eh.
So nyankopon bowe cucumber. Obo watermelon so ka ho no. It stands for something. And sex in a relationship there. Ehun hia. Untimi nka say me date you just like that without sex. No. Because at the end of the day, bema ne bema uska obe dia upe wo yama odia and they also uje mumano at any time he requests for it.
Ye wo enipa no bi nso a e ma ne bi wo ho a uhia no na wose nipa obeti ase all right but what tia say we ho no obekire wo say ono de sex out enti yen steady ye ho for some months some years and sana a happen. And no identity ya ebanisa.
All right, so it depends oba chronic senior yes. Obabi owa ebia ohun as just a friend opel adam for ebia obie like obie how about your body form nefe. So obabi obekasa bia no obwa anase maybe she's not really interested in you.
Yes, or pretending.
Yes, because obabia before bema obesinipa obeti ase no. And maybe the feelings or nya feelings be ma intina or accept o proposal no. So obabeka say ebia ma accept but yen have sex until ebia this date or minya nye ready say may have sex no. Maybe she is under pressure or something or onya baby so accept so edini so na dey so normally a man ana oba obe peno obe pena bre obe dinechi a penisa finally obe babeti ase say oh ebia mati ase samba no maybe like bibi nti na wa accept yeah bibi ntina wa
yes or ti wase nanka we jane how and say like
yes say we jane how maybe say bebre o ma fifa relationships mo like anko yenti no fit say bia wo ba no obe na wako obe na wako but e bi nso na nso oba for stay and na bebre na nso no she's not ready or she's not interested just say ebia ohia bibi ntina wa accept in her life but ebia feelings ni ho odoni ni ho but she's there for something ntina oba bia obeka che say wa accept but no sex bia she's a pretender not just all pretending
only feelings bia ma she's there for something or she's looking for some opportunity and ntina or accept one in life more.
Oh,
okay. Yes. Okay. What are you obey?
She's a pretender.
Thank you. What are you obey, Mami Musa? Oba bit me at now be 2-3 months on have sex.
Oh, okay. Well, it depends. But to me, dear, means nothing you that limit I may have sex. No be come it depends. And I'm banning baby or moka say will meet me at now 6 months, 3 months without having sex, no. Baby or crying or more fast to satisfy your yes. Baby some masturbate on their own inner money upon tempene yeah, and some too they say it for people to hear, but far around the corner and it depends, but obabi obet na say aka say bia 3 months, 6 months without having sex maybe the person is a pretender because oba don't means nothing can say 3 months, 6 months won't have sex. No, because the body needs sex. Body no it was saying ehia sex. And now oba so won't have sex. Ut now 3 months, 6 months won't have sex. Depression crash.
Na me kai mo say empaso nkomo dwumadi na mo anigusu a Superboy me de twa mo baby biara mo wo na ene no oba hofe Bonnie was it was surprised sonko kra e de mahwefo na Bonnie me de ma no ya me menka ene na was it menka dia ene menka was it surprise into surprise focus so here ana wunya say surprise no why say na anwofe yemfa ne say oyoba mehia o manage ho me ne wakasa ma pe what ma say all right ye hihye ho ana ye dia ware ye no said ye na ye nware ye no o ma me sex ni ade no ye ware ne enti sa biu e den ne betimi aba oba ana say mo be ware na sex no ase e beti akọ e den ne betimi aba
it was a conversation dear. Most of the times no a man no see a worry we are say yeah like ya toya befie and I say ya na sisi ya kita cap no
say bibia ya modia master key
bibia enti emfa ne ho bibia oye bibia like anyhow emfa ne ho biem the dressing ube kofie ne wukuna asori wa dress wa kwa ejuma fine obebe fie no wa dress ufuwe wa peja na kama wa package na
said they were packaging
no wa package ne kama something hot unshem fempia bonti because you are wife for and I say unye wari nimpo a uni ogai no mo inside unim say ogai no and what say anytime and what say anytime bi anso no be man e beka say o ebia ene sweetheart me kondo da bi once oba no you can say wa popo ni favorite food what say something hot
say hwema na twetwe nyumba
wa package no Fie juma ba na se omu ofia osuri ene de me kondo ene de me penestyle say na enu kra kenya be mani huhu but aware have any relationship e wom de be kona dukuchim fa ha na ntoma no so ya bopo ne fa enti ukunu na oboy no pia bonti na oba na obehia packaging send ye ya obe ebe na kono because when we ben kwan sa wabre and secondly no so styles in sex no do
no say wababa ni nsem wen
the cross is mine
when I so open ti ye ni a open
so open but sorry o man cow girl o man shibaro kakra what's not so kakra and there utime kra any dan ka utime so me wepu so atiase nti uyi different styles
there be bobo styles ni bi wo say den
cow girl shibaro elupe your 13 Pro Max now be say hey
let just say we ma 13 Pro Max and style nko
I don't date
and iPhone 7 Plus
and look at him
and they want help to me I want say can body dumpo
and no I was say our for those who are in relationships no I was say almost Tyson so omo Kenya mu kakra atiase say akonya oho utina so kakra wa akonya no oba netina so say be ma no so na betina so a wo oba utimi ye wo na nisi it's good usisu no kolisuro usisu and ni na ka ho because enye de bia be ma ibe ko ejuma be ba wa bre obeba na wa bre na fe na osa besiso
na akoye se ono na
obia ono asa tra se da no ho
na mami musa wo meba wo ekoba ne se ase oba no enye ahokeka na se won show sign bia to attract bema na wunyi ni se ebia na bema ne ho na afron no
oh no oba die o se ojeje ho na fe nso no ye wo bema bi nso a like ejuma sem oba free ejuma beba wa bre kosun madale na de oso ya na de ma frem panja me ka ko say and all that and nina eku oba no like eku oba na kono eku no feelings bema bi nso a some stress ejumanti anasa sorry okọ ejumanti ayi no crampo no omo nye ni neat but BJ nyina ka ho so atiase ye ko ho nyina ya de ya no ko se no
opese o chese enye one side nko na yese yese bema no
so usiesie ho package ho
okay
na although say ufe adwuma bampo na wa brempo a oye wo yire or she's your partner for her not to go outside give it to her how she wants it ba won ka say ebia me adwuma ma bre any other no esa won so put your obani off patroni so ka
let us say said ye nua ba boni e ka no let us say enye oba no nko a na yese o fight for it eme obu ye be ma won so yese wo ye bibi oba no so watenka yese wo ye bibi a ono so ebe attract no ebe ma ne kon ado se ono so wonya sa sex no obapa ene na ene ye beda wase wachire yen ama yesua de papa afiri ho na minya wo ho enkokwa empaso nkomo yeda wase papa ifi se ene odi yakọ school kese yesua niema bebre afiri ene ncheche ya odi ama yen hu na minya wo ema wo nkokwa asem soronko ben ana wo ka kire empaso nkomo ahwefo ene omatiefo nyina
okay madam asin so say mo frame mo ton sa frame ya so maba me da hwefo nyina ase monko so enhwe empaso nkomo die mu odin ena be de me waka kire mo ne say married people ma mumbisa sex enye crime mumbisa sex enye crime ena mbe ma no so no sometimes mum package ni yie wati ase untimi nko accept obi relationship say me dey sex no you are a pretender so you have to stop it sex eka ho ena emma emu edi sita intina oba de o I also body no uhia sex so stop being a pretender thank you for watching and passing komonchi
perfect
ene de mu odin
ye beda obapa ahofe boni ase o say body no ehia sex na ono o 33 months na wanti wonye sex a ɛte sɛ bibi enko yie ɛwɔ na brabum anaasɛ ne nipadua mu ɛnuanom ne adɔfo moma yɛmfa deɛ ɛbɔ ne akan ɛnyɛ sua deɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wawareɛ ɛbɛtena hɔ ne atena hɔ daa ɛmpa so nkɔmmɔ dwumadie ɛnɛ aha ne yɛde mu besie mu nua bɛma Superboy Makramo